Abnormal snowfall in Spain. About 36 centimeters of fresh snow fell in the town of Navacerrada in the Madrid area, located at an altitude of 1,000 to 1,900 meters about 50 kilometers northwest of the Spanish capital. Locals have not seen such heavy snowfall at this time in the last 20 years. In other parts of Spain there were problems on 26 major highways. The country's weather service declared an alert not only for Madrid, but also for 9 other of the country's 17 autonomous communities, including Andalusia, Valencia and Catalonia. Warnings were issued for snow and rain, avalanches and landslides, high winds, severe cold and high waves. Up to 20 liters of rain and wind gusts up to 80 km per hour are forecast in some areas.